So, doing that cigarette?
I'm on video.
Maybe. It's nasty, man. I couldn't give two shits about the finger, but that cigarette, man.
Yeah. Don't put this on Facebook.
What? No, I'm gonna put it on YouTube.
Okay.
Why? Does not everybody in your family know you smoke?
My mom has friends on Facebook.
Okay. I don't understand. I thought your mom was okay with you smoking. Hey.
Her and Rusty have a mutual friend on Facebook.
Uh-huh.
Rusty's not cool with me smoking.
Ah. Well, Rusty's got the right idea. Man, look at all this snow.
Yeah, you should download Pulp Fiction.
You know how bundled up I am?
Not now.
I'm wearing 2 pants. I don't wear 2 pants. Why do they call them pairs of pants when it's just one thing? It's just...
Yeah.
No, seriously, why do they call it pairs when it's just one set? It's just like one thing.
That's true.
You don't call them pairs of t-shirts. I'm wearing 1 pair of shirt. You know how weird that sounds?
That's true. Man, I got sweatpants, overalls, t-shirt, thermal, sweater, hoodie, and then coat.
Look, man, it's snowing. We're not in Antarctica.
Hey, man, I'm warm.
That's
my
nice.
Toes. My toes are fucking cold.
My toes are fine. My hands are freezing. I got these little $5 pieces of shit mittens that get fucking... They get wet like that. It's ridiculous.
Hey, man.
What?
Did you put that in your other pocket for a second?
What if my other pocket's busy?
I was curious.
It's not even full, it's just busy.
What is that?
I don't even know. What are you doing? You going skiing?
No.
Lame.
Yeah, it works.
Man, I wish there were more forest around here.
Dude.
You know how beautiful it would be to go hiking right now?
Go down to the Y.
You want to go down to the Y? No, you don't have your car on you.
Hell no. Yeah, I just keep my car in my pocket.
Shut up, you know what I meant.
Yeah, they ain't no going to High Point.
Shit, man, if I had the time, I'd walk there.
Shit.
It only takes about 2 or 3 hours.
I made it. Falls over dead. Frozen solid.
It only takes about 2 or 3 hours.
Yeah, fun with that.
I've done it before. My dumbass took...
snow.
No, my dumbass took Lexington on foot all the way to Thomasville, all the way to National Highway. That was a bad idea. That was the only way I knew, but it was the longest way.
Ooh.
Yeah. Hey, you see this tall pile of snow here?
Yeah.
I'm gonna jump it. Here, no, here, hold this. Hold this.
Well, seems like a really bad idea.
Keep the camera on me. I got this.
Do it. You're gonna bust your ass so hard.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. That wasn't too bad. Do it again.
For what?
Because I said so.
One and done.
Whatever.
I don't call it back.
Oop. It is snowing, it's snowing, it's snowing. Hey, oh,
You know what happens when you call the hill back the next morning? It'll want it to jump you. Want you to jump it again. No, 1 jump. That's all you get. What? Why? What are you doing now?
What am I doing? You know what I'm doing.
What crazy experimenting? This is somebody's backyard. You can't just... Well, we can't just walk through here either, but... Hey. Nice. Trying to keep the camera on him and the monster in my pocket at the same time. There we go. Really? I couldn't tell. Look at how deep the snow is. Look at that. Uh-oh. Yeah, I got 8 seconds left. Time to cut off the video. Bye, guys.